Hey Bonita National fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing one of our newest listings here in Bonita National. It's Cherrywood Court, Unit 8304. This is part of the Coach Home series of condos that you're going to find here at Bonita National. This particular unit is the downstairs unit. It is the Arrowhead floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home, right around 1,800 square foot. And all of the Coach homes here on Cherrywood are social membership only. That way you know you don't have any golf dues for the year. Now let's run inside and take a look here. As we enter the Arrowhead floor plan, it opens up into this nice great room area here. Right here directly in front of us, this is your dedicated dining space, and this homeowner has added in these cabinets here, as well as the mirror and glass shelving. Really nice touch there. And then you have the great room and kitchen there. But first, I'm going to turn your attention directly behind me. This is where you have your guest bedrooms here. Notice there is a pocket door right here. You can close this, give your guests all the privacy they need. On our right here, you have the guest bathroom here with a single sink. You've got the quartz countertops, your tub and shower combination along with your commode. And then back here on the right-hand side, you have your laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer, as well as some additional shelving. You've got your garage space, 2-car garage with the painted floor. And then right here, you've got your 2 guest bedrooms. Here's guest bedroom number 1 with your walk-in style closet. And then you've got guest bedroom 2 right here. Now, directly behind me in this floor plan, this is usually a linen closet here. But this owner has taken out the linen closet and made it into this nice little alcove where you can put some decoration and art as well. Now let's focus on the great room and kitchen. Really nice open space here with the great room. And then your kitchen overlooking everything here. So you've got the quartz countertops, you've got the white cabinets, stainless appliance package, nice little corner pantry there. Plenty of countertop space here, and this all looks out over to your great room area, which is really nice. Huge kitchen island right here as well. Now one of the things that the owner extended, the cabinets over in the dining room, they've also added that here right under the TV, such a really nice feature there. Now let's turn our attention to the master bedroom. This is a huge master bedroom here. Plenty of room there for a king-size bed. You've got sliders that do lead out to the lanai. And on these sliders here, you have your powered shades and curtains, which come right down over that, which is a really nice feature. You've got 2 huge closets, his and hers closets here in your master. There's closet number 1 and closet number 2 directly behind me here. And then you've got the master bath here with your corner glass enclosed shower. You've got your separate vanities here. You've got your private water closet and a linen closet here as well. Now, last but not least, we are going to take a look at the outdoor living space here. Really nice size lanai. Runs all the way towards the end of your home there, and right here you've got a beautiful view of the lake, very private, and directly right across past these trees here, you probably can't see it in the video, but that is the clubhouse and amenity center directly across. So it is very much walking distance to the clubhouse from this home. All right folks, if you're interested in this coach home here at Bonita National, you can reach us at all of the contact information that you see below. I'm Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you watching.